Good morning, students. Now we see the next application of derivative, that is approximation. If fx is a differentiable function of x, then its derivative at x is equal to a is given by this formula f dash a equal to limit h tends to 0 f a plus h minus f a divided by h. Now for approximation we use this sign. For a sufficiently small h value, we have f dash of a is approximately equal to f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Then after multiplying, cross multiplication, h into f dash a is approximately equal to f of a plus h minus f of a, which is equal to, rearranging the terms, we get f of a plus h is approximately equal to f a plus h into f dash of a. So students should always remember this formula. This formula is used to find the approximate value of function at x is equal to a plus h, where f dash of a is always existing value. Now let us see some examples. First example, I will solve example. Find the approximate value of square root of 64.1. You know very well square root of 64 is 8. So first of all, we take the function as root x. Differentiating it with respect to x, we got f dash of x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Choose the value. A is equal to 64 and h is equal to 0.1. For x is equal to a 64, from equation 1 we find f of a, that is under root 64, which is equal to 8. For x is equal to a 64, from the second equation f dash of a, we got f dash of 64, so 1 upon 2 root 64, so we have 1 upon 16. Under root 64 it is 8, 8 into 2 it is 16. 1 upon 16 value, that is the reciprocal. You can also get this value from the logarithmic tables, that is 0.0625. By approximation formula, we have f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into a. So put all the above values to this equation, that is approximation formula. F of 64.1, which is equal to f of 64, 0.1 multiplied by f dash of 64. So 8 plus 0.1 h value multiplied by f dash of 64, that is 0.0625. So if we take the multiplication of decimal point is again replaced by 1 point, 0.00625. So final answer is 8 plus this term. So we got 8.0.00625. So that is the under root of 64.1. So always remember this approximation formula. This value f dash of a is always existing. Now let us take the example from exercise. Take the first problem. Find the approximate value of cosine 60 degree 30 minutes, given that 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian and root 3 value is given. First of all, we take the function fx is equal to cosine x. its derivative is minus sin x. Now choose a is equal to 60 degree means pi by 3 radian, h is equal to 30 minutes. Now this 30 minutes is converted to degree and then degree is converted to radian measure. So it is half degree. So convert it to radian half times. This value is given 1 degree in radian. So half multiplied by 0.0175 radian. So we got h value is 0.00875. Now try to find fa value and f dash of a value. Fa value cosine pi by 3, cosine 60 is half, so it is 0.5. F dash f, that is minus sin pi by 3, that is minus root 3 upon 2. So root 3 value we have to put 1.732 divided by 2. So the answer is minus 0.866. So putting all these values in the approximation formula, we got f of a plus h, that is 60 degree and 30 minutes, which is equal to f of pi by 3, h value into f dash pi by 3. F of pi by 3 value is 0.5 multiplied by the plus this term, and f dash of pi by 3 तुम्हाला निगेटिव्ह मिळते 0.866. Taking this multiplication or simplifying this multiplication, we got the answer for this multiplication as 0.0075775. So 0.5 minus this term. So final answer is 0.4924225, approximately equal to, in 4 decimal, 0.4924. This is the approximate value. Now second example, find the approximate value of 3 raised to 2.01, given that log 3 value is given 1.0986. 3 raised to function आपण घेऊ. Take fx is equal to 3 raised to x, its derivative is 3 raised to x into log 3. Now choose a is equal to 2, h is equal to 0.01, fa is equal to f2, it is 9 value, 3 square. F dash of a, it is 3 square, इथं 2 टाकायची किंमत तुम्हाला, 3 square into log 3. log 3 व्हॅल्यू दिली होती तुम्हाला 1.0986. So it is 9.8874 if we take the multiplication of these two terms. Now approximation formula, put the values from the above. F of a value is 9 plus 0.01 multiplied by 9.8874. So 9 plus 0.098874. So final answer is 9.098874. See another examples also. Find the approximate value of log 1016 to the base 10, given that log e to the base 10 is 0.4343. Solution. fx ची किंमत log x to the base 10 आपण जर फंक्शन घेतलं तर या ठिकाणी चेंज ऑफ बेस फॉर्म्युलानुसार, कारण याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा आपल्याला डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला नाही आहे, म्हणून नॅचरल बेस तुम्हाला ई करावा लागेल. मग log x to the base e divided by log 10 to the base e. So 1 upon log 10 to the base e by using the logarithmic laws, that is log e to the base 10 multiplied by log x. ही टर्म खालची न्यूमरेटरला घेऊन गेलो, बेस आणि एक्सपोनंट जो असेल तुमचा चेंजिंग द बेस. व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला दिली आहे लॉग ईची 0.4343 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 1/x. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लॉग एक्सचं काय मिळालं तुम्हाला 1/x. नाव चूज ए इज इक्वल टू. आता 1016 ही किंमत तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लॉगॅरिथमसाठी दिलेली होती लॉग ऑफ याची ॲप्रॉक्सिमेशन. मग आपण एची व्हॅल्यू 1000 घेतली, एचची व्हॅल्यू 16 घेतली. एफ ए व्हॅल्यू मिळाली तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लॉग 1000 टू द बेस 10. तर नॅचरली लॉग 10 क्यूब टू द बेस 10. 3 पुढं आला तर 3 log 10 to the base 10 it is 1. So final answer is 3. F dash of A, that is F dash of 1000, म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी किंमत टाकली तुम्ही 0.4343 डिवायडेड बाय 1000. मग ॲप्रॉक्सिमेशन फॉर्म्युला आपण लावला, किमती टाकल्या 3 + 16 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय दिस टर्म. न्यूमरेटरचा गुणाकार करून घेतला आपल्याला मिळतं आहे 6.9488 डिवायडेड बाय 1000. सो 3 प्लस पुन्हा 1000ने डिवाइड केलं तर तुम्हाला हे आन्सर मिळेल. तिनामध्ये आपण हे ॲड करू तर आपल्याला उत्तर मिळतं आहे 3.00694888. नाव सी अगेन अनदर एक्झाम्पल. Find the approximate value of this function x cube minus 3x plus 5 at 1.99. मग फंक्शन तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी दिलेलं आहे, त्याच्यावरून डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढलं 3x² - 3. एची व्हॅल्यू 2 घेतली, एचची व्हॅल्यू काय घेणार मग -0.01. एफ ए व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे या ठिकाणी 2 किंमत टाकली तर तुम्हाला उत्तर मिळतं 7. एफ डॅश ऑफ एमध्ये आपण 2 किंमत टाकली, एची किंमत 2 आहे तर आपल्याला उत्तर मिळतं आहे 9. ॲप्रॉक्सिमेशन फॉर्म्युलामध्ये किंमत टाकली F2, एचची किंमत निगेटिव्ह 0.01, एफ डॅश 2 7 - 0.01 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 9. याचा आणि याचा गुणाकार करून घेतला तर आपल्याला 0.09 मिळतं आहे. 7तून 0.09 मायनस केला तर फायनल आन्सर तुम्हाला मिळतं आहे 6.91. सो in the approximation formula, using approximation formula, we can solve the examples of approximate values of a given function. So always remember this formula, f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Students should solve the examples, another examples from the exercise given. Now we stop here. Next time we see another application of derivative. Thank you.